Yes, so today, work day today, I want to start cementing is step the one thing today now, so don't worry, side me I go.
Mix up down on, you know? What the fuck? Mix up down now. I mix up some, you don't have some. I wash it off and start.
Yeah man, so actually I drink remove the stone amount of me that walk one from over there. We use to make a little step, go up. So move them now and we gotta do the right thing and now. So let's clear up the area and thing and get the ball rolling. One Peter Rock. That is it. Somebody know you on the channel. Somebody comment and say big up Ken Ryan and Dalby. I got somebody from around a few zone. I'm gonna mix it up right here, so one thing. I got some water here to use to mix up.
The whole of the dirt can throw somewhere. Whole of the dirt can be there.
Yeah.
And if you have to fall at 2 stick,
Yeah.
so you have to fall it back. To get the water.
Okay.
To get the water in that to come back around. But now,
Well, we are start don't the suffer.
to the stone first.
Yeah.
When we reach to that stone, that's the one that roll on left right. Come to the top. When we reach to right here, when we reach right there, so. Bill come on there, sir.
Yeah.
When the bill come to here, sir, now, we're good. Start the digging this and set it.
Alright. Mix him up.
Right, alright.
That is it, man.
Come on, sir. Throw some water upon this.
Water there.
Sprinkle of water on it.
Alright.
Wet up again. Wet up over here, sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir. step and build on board. Come now, we have to down now.
Yeah, go down and then take it down. Come on, so that's a go on.
Put too much in there because so it take up as some want it to turn around.
Yeah.
A stir.
Yeah, go down with it.
Okay, I'll go up on it.
Country water chop one.
Sure.
Run it down. Start the ball game and all the morning now. Yeah. Yeah man, so just go and get the step them up on and thing. Yeah, so one Peter outside, I'm walking in the stone and thing. I start get the thing going. Might look steep or might look away if you know, but when time we finish, you know, I go see the full outcome, how it turn out, you know. So I do the start process. So I can say, you know, the day when the journey start, when you start the step them, you know. Start from down there, so come up top.
Nice. That's it.
It's a nice.
Yeah. Let me show it.
Yeah, show it. Good man.
Yeah, no crampus thing, you know?
So going on. No crampus thing on it.
No crampus thing, I just there's no way. That's the thing I know, say. A crampus.
No crampus.
Bind, we are bind them.
Yeah.
Bind the rock. To the rock. Alright. Alright, now. No, nothing. Nothing, no. I put this more flat one tomorrow.
Yeah. I try to find a flat one. Yeah. A flat one you took for a while ago.
Too short, too long.
Too long? So long. Thing I get active up.
That is okay. That is okay, dear.
If you do a good job, peeps, let us know so you can book him. Yeah.
Yeah, man, anyone want it, man. Anyone want it, give them. We tea and anything they want, we give them. Step out of stone. You can build a foundation out of stone.
Yeah, me have made stone. Yeah, we find a stone them.
Yeah, we find stone, bro. Some more look at thick yam here. Too much stone mortar. So I want the stone and yeah, work with, you know?
Yeah, I want the stone to work with the mortar.
Yeah, we not dry. I want it too much. I hide the stone.
Sure.
Look one. Put one there, sir. Yeah, for look one, pick it up.
Look one, we put in there, sir. Maybe find it.
That's too big, you know.
You're fine on. Alright.
Now put a little step here, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, sir. The men's back this. You go overstand?
Yeah, man, we overstand. Yeah.
All our stone can put on this. Yes, sir, we are dealing. We are going to deal with this, sir. You see, yes, sir? Yes, we are going to deal. Now, Billy come. Who are them players on the deal?
Yeah.
So, we have to have one step, yes, sir. One step, yes, sir.
We have Billy right up in here and catch the level with the rock.
Right on in there, sir. Who are sir, come back, come catch a level with this, sir. That means to say that we go piece, you have to go kind of stay out one way. I don't want to go one piece.
You know, you should have tried to get the hammer, you know, it's stone, man.
And brush off, yes, sir.
Yeah. I put picking in stone, man. Chip him down too much, you know. That is it. Chip down stone on it. Sing out, Rasta. Peter can sing. It's whiter than snow.
Yeah, man.
That's
how we do it, man. Have to clean, you know? People them polish and all.
Yeah.
Everyone go near there. Straight out them, wicked, you know?
Yeah, man.
And money then, like. They better believe. If you don't have money, they don't want to see you on the front. Me whiter than snow. What can make me whiter than snow? Yeah, man, yeah, let me put one somewhere around there. You see how high I stone this? I want to play on this stuff. We match with this.
Watch it that. Come to this one.
Let's see this one. Alright. This is it.
Yeah, man. Him that this.
Wash my sins away. Whiter than snow.
In there.
I didn't first time I do it now. Straight, you know.
You love them work, yeah?
Yeah, I don't know now. Just put all the first calls to people.
Oh, yeah?
Did all of one wall if I do the first, just support it.
Oh, yeah, that tell me, man, by the time that tell me, say, to go out there for calabash and sitting. I walk them way there.
No, that's what I go on and send up back.
Yes, sir. I'll come.
No, I don't want to go pushing out of the car. Not rough. Not too hard, just smooth. You know?
Yeah.
Alright. So I have some do that step there. I have some there now.
I come around the corner, I say no.
Yeah, it must be every connection of the stone now,
Yeah.
yes, ma'am. Alright. Bam. Bam. Yeah? Bam. Bam now. So you see us now? No want no more some little stone.
Yeah.
The next bill now, yes, sir. To come back over. Yeah, say work I will start now. Yeah, no part. Yeah. Alright, I got to deal with it now. Blood of child. Something like this you want to come out there, so.
Mm.
You understand me?
Yeah.
So now get a big step. And done. But this good enough, right? I say enough.
Yeah.
You come back to this, enough. One idea, so enough.
We just want the level of flat top like that one there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And that one I'm more after.
Yeah.
That one. More after. And then we do more. No problem. Long run. No problem. No, it's good enough.
Yeah?
No, it's yet.
You know fix it. My sister, you know fix it.
But the same as I know. Yeah.
That's the same I go.
Yeah. I think so. Yeah, I think so.
You think so?
I can stay away now.
Or you know so?
Yeah, I know so. No, so I just let me see. Ah, look at that. Come here, come back, you know? Yeah, come here, go park in a say, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we go walk one. Can you do a mere walk chicken there?
Pack him up now. Starting to get bleaky.
Yeah, man, we now start get some kind of weather. But now, nothing to do with it.
A few of them Garasta.
I know them are earth. Perfect. No one.
That make you get in Peter.
Really, I just, if I'm growing up, put on my leg on the plate.
Ah. You might come with the bucket. I'll take you bucket.
Never. Can't come down now.
I'm a come down, sir.
Eh?
I'm a come down, condo.
Stone. Stone more.
I can't go easy, but I use them enough to rush him.
No rushing.
No pressure him.
No hard friends dying. Nothing but a plan. Alright. What your hand will be, why don't know?
That's one El Chang.
Yes?
Sure. You don't want to look to me.
I say, for it lightning. Stone, shut up.
What?
One side.
Inside, yeah?
Yeah, give me 2 more then. 2 more. Yeah, give me some more.
Alexa.
Look what I see.
Yes, I want people to put you.
Let's go. Broad stone for this.
Broad stone.
Yeah, one step. You see that one? Sure. No, alright.
On an hour.
Alright, yeah, it's alright. Cover it.
I need a stone and that's
You alright? You know what I'm going? I move like you know.
So I'm going. Yeah, so ease off the stone and get on the cement, you know. Get the mixture here so you can plaster in the stone, you know. Set it here. What is it?
Oh, nice to push one around.
Stone, you know. Stone.
Small one. 4 and small. couple small things. Yeah. Come here.
Hold on. Try that one. So we just stored the stuff them on the top stone, so I'm gonna put them on a stone, you know? Yeah, let's use it as a little board, you know? And the stone to go up in here, so you know. So you want a broad stone to go up there, so.
Yeah.
So we're building the steps right up on the rock here. So Natasha, oi, you never can manage yourself, my friend. I'm going to tell us that so every people we are going to walk for this step. You know, what I know say, every people them can walk for the step them. Yeah.
I don't crumble. Every do to something, brother. I don't know. Stone, no sister. It is stone,
yeah.
A monster. Stone, a monster. A plague stone.
If you live in a glass house, don't throw stones. That look good, I know.
So, just take your time, huh?
Yeah, man, just have to go and take your time. Cut and go through.
None that, so we never have no. We never have. We never have this, no plan. We have make one plan, no.
Yeah.
We have a car in there. Alright? Okay, that's on next week.
Everyone, so that's go on, you know.
Cement operator, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. For sure I go on over there.
I got the board a piece. A stone, a piece of stone. Yes? Yeah.
No, I'm not here. I'll leave it more back on it.
Oh. Kita this one small one I know if we go up there. No, say while we are work, what if a bubble, you know? What if a bubble, a bubble, a bubble? Jesus' love is a bubbling over. I say Jesus' love is a bubbling over. My one that, you know? Who next on the DJ train? I put in something for one of my subscriber them. More than one subscriber we are put in for. Alright, so put in that for Shaka. And Almarie Flowers. Yeah, she said she never hear her name last time, so I put in one for you now. Miss Speed English. Yeah. I put in one for you now. You know, seeing a fun. Can't afford seeing a fun, you know. American Express, my love. Yeah, man, always hype up the video them. Remember, peeps, when you see the hype up option, I think all people when at the United States and Canada. Yeah, you can see that. So, you hype up the video them when you see the hype, and just click on the hype, you know? Hype up the video them. That is it. Alright, that one I'm just flatten out. That one I have in Natasha. Pretty out, pretty out, pretty out, pretty out. Feel on that Natasha. Can't miss. To misses to this. That a code man. Cecile Malcolm in the pot. That a year one. How we are left out now? D2. D2. I don't know where I build a YouTube community, you know what I mean? So just want to big up all my viewers, big up all my subscribers them. You know, this is a special shout out to all you guys. You know, can't remember all of the name them still in about. If you think through the eye and eye brain, you know? Yes, man. That is it. Anybody when I hear the name, the one they were gone in, you can see me that, you know? Oh, God. Martel, I give a little small one this time. I make one special for Rasta, you know? Rasta from our Martel adventure. Yeah. That's a code. I always do it again when they night chat on the night time. And on the daytime live stream them. Can't remember no more name, you know. I can't remember no more name, you know, but this is Alisa. Yeah, one of the next moderator them that. Yeah. Big up all our moderators them, you know. D2, you know, Natasha, Alisa. Yeah. No, I code go. So that I code. Camille dumpling, you know me, just not too long ago. Dig some cocoa. So, yeah. Peel the cocoa them and get them in. Said speed, you know. So, no go and stay locked in and clocked in. Big up all viewers, big up all subscribers. You don't know the thing go. Next time around, if you don't hear your name and you want your name to be called, you want a dumpling next time, you want a handful of rice, just comment and make me know where I go on. Yeah, man, we outside, I do it. You know, we keep the vibes real over here, alright? Well, and so when time ripe leaf drop on you, that mean money, and ripe leaf drop on me, you know. Oh, God. I'm gonna see what I go on in my pot, you know. See? Alright, so just shift them up a little bit. Them a little shift up, you know. Yes. Don't try that at home. Yeah, man, big nice cocoa, fresh off the farm. Yeah, so go and peel them and get them in the pot. So you all just stay locked in, clocked in, don't move one muscle, you know. So I go on, you know. I get in the cocoa them in the pot, you know. Come on, what a bubble. Get them in quick and fast.
I sell a little sheep out there in sound job, you know.
That is it. Come on, so I reach up right up now, but I'll be there to go down and step them.
Yeah, man, that's all clean, man.
So them they set down there now?
Yeah, man.
Oh,
Yes, them they're good.
them they good.
Yeah.
So my digger come up here now.
You have to make a work from
Okay, okay.
That's all clean up, man. But you have to work from us now.
Oh,
Work now, come on.
alright. Go on to your mathematics. That's a soft.
Yeah, man, I get it, man. Then we rock, you know. Put a plant a bank of yam yourself.
Yeah, yam love them corners.
I use it for dig.
Yeah.
One of them places you can plant up the road.
I plant up road up by top corners. What do you gone? Yeah, my viewers, my subscribers, yeah. So I'm in the bush, as you can see, my pot is right there on the fire. Yeah, and the work I go on the side and things. So it's a good look. I just want to tell you guys, say big up and bless up. Continue to support the channel, you know what I mean? Do remember, like up the video, watch the ads them and thing. Yeah, man, and go and big up on a nice clean self every time. So, right about now, we mix up a new stuff, you know. And thing. So I load up the mixing board and thing. So I mix up and thing. Mix it up right there, so that is it, man. Look who they are with today. Lasco bean and Lasco tin mackerel, yeah. Them we are putting in the pot, you know. Lasco tin mackerel, Lasco bean. Yeah, man, nice. In mackerel. No, I rather use the small mackerel. I don't like the bigger mackerel. Like the jack mackerel you see me use the other day. I don't like them. I don't like those mackerel, man. Get out the beans in the pot, you know. Yeah. Eat bean and tin mackerel. Yeah, man. So I'm going. That is it. You know? Yeah. Feel comfortable. I feel comfortable.
So when we finish a piece now, you have a comfortable. Because I'm going to build up yourself now a little.
Yeah.
I build a little step yourself and step across. So I take a little level. And
Yeah.
you step back a little level. Because it's too steep.
Yeah, me that say.
Yeah, so I see everything. I catch back a level. Then I catch a level, yeah, so come right out.
Yeah. Ready this ready now, you know? Ready. Come on, pin with this. So we're going on now. That's the work reach, you know? Yeah, man, so there I go and get the step them up and running. I get my showers a blessings here now. That is it. Yeah, man, I dry works, man. Come on, so the outside I go and put in here. Remember, like up the video if you're not yet subscribed to the channel. Please consider subscribing. All about road to 10k subscribers, you know. That is it, man. Work continues, you know. So when Peter they are put in the work and thing, walk or leave him go to there, no? Yeah, man. Some tin mackerel and baked bean, you know? That is it. And we there are going to work on it. Step them. So that I code. I said that I code. Good look.
go look, but you see right out there, so?
Yeah.
Before I put malt out, and I have a bigger piece more, you know? Like that, too high to step up.
Okay. That's a code. That work in progress.
Out there, huh? Long as you want to take off, look.
Yeah.
That never easy to step up.
Yeah. Father God, I ask you to just bless this food, let this food be of nourishment to my body. Bless my viewers, bless my subscribers. I ask for guidance and protection. Again, in your precious name, Jesus Christ, I pray, amen. Yeah, so check in for my food, you know. Cocoa, you know, how long I not eat cocoa? Half and knife.
Alright, that's the next step. Next step out of this, and that.
More stuff will come right out to your foot.
No, I'm going to show you this. No.
Oh, yeah, it's ready.
What is that?
Stuff there, stuff there.
Come with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, come. Go on, come again.
Yeah, so I'm gonna see how going so far. Alright, so this is what's going on now. We're getting the steps coming all the way up. So I really are going now. We're not going to put no stone on them here. I just use the cement to catch the step. So just a real step come right up. So they got more step back come right up, you know. So we're up on the final, you know, so close off the show, you know. Yeah, just let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this, you know. So far, so good.
Come with that.
Come with that stuff now there already, man.
Any more left?
Yeah. Make you go to the next step before you show that.
Come on, I just find this it all you. Come. Not more now, do
Alright, boss.
That's how good it is. Two buckets left at top. Let me show you.
Mr. Man, you got a river, you know, man. That's right, man. That is it. Yeah, man, yeah, pot it down. Ah. Okay, I'm not going to look like I'm all up on the board.
Swim.
Yes, sir.
Swim now. After. So we make it live longer, you know? So you say if you left the dirt on the banks when you know?
Yeah.
It's easier to come down.
True.
So we make it live longer. Longer living without you. Maybe long live. Long live Charlie. Long live DJ.
That's a good man. Yeah. It's a good look.
Yeah. And then a sipper. Yeah?
I don't know yet.
No, they're not a sipper.
They're not going to
No, we must move them out for them. We have grit in them, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
You can go on the other side and take them. Yes, so now we have a plant and backyard.
My life is an adventure. Oh God. Yeah. I'm in the binary to get I'm to you. Alright, so I go down. This way I know if you know view and the step them from boy. From down this so come up. So if you walk through your suburb. Oh me nah walk, they go up bridging. You know don't say no walking it man. You wanna some of them man. See shoulder. Use the shoulder and clear ya.
Oh, that's another island with Martha. That's what? No, no.
So this is how it look so far. Going up, you know. One thing. So a bit I don't know, clear off some of it, dirt them. They come down when they dig up on top. All of them dirt them I take off. Get it clear. Alright, so this is how I going so far. Tell him say some of them fix one way because when you reach a certain distance, I don't too like the step up, me have to go step and turn, so we have to go look into that, you know. So that good look so far. Great this thing we start and things, so when it dry tomorrow we get a check pan and thing here, so I have to go put on some stuff same way, concrete to hold up the dirt head way. So so that we are going to like how them one they round there, so have to catch it, stuff all of them part there. Rain, rain, rain. Big up all my viewers, big up all my subscribers. Do remember like up the video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, yeah. So the rain come down and we actually finish up already and thing. So just want to say blessings to each and everyone who watch this video up until this time, yeah man. And if you watch the video up until this time, I don't know why you not subscribe yet. So big up yourself. You don't know, we get some rain, yeah, good vibes, yeah man. The rain is a blessing, trust me, the rain is a blessing, yeah. So we just hoping for the best, yeah. So tomorrow I'll check in and see what I go on for the step them. So big up on yourself. Also tomorrow we are going to do our next little work, so I don't waste what I go on. So bless up to each and everyone, you know what I mean, and just let me know what you guys think about this project that I'm about to kickstart. So wow, they're going to come down already over there, so alright, so big up, bless up, like up the video, stay blessed, stay tuned, stay humble, alright.